My video is about getting rid of the adware called LaunchImprovement. LaunchImprovement is the adware that attacks Google Chrome, Safari, and other browsers. It attacks many Mac computers all over the world. LaunchImprovement adware, once installed, starts to display a lot of intrusive ads not related to the sites that you visit. LaunchImprovement adware may also cause unwanted browser redirections to random websites. So if it was found on your device, you need to get rid of it. Check your applications, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I recommend you to research the computer additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then once it gets installed, start researching the system to detect and remove other threats from your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.